Hello everybody, this is Mill Creek, oh yeah, you guys too. This is Mill Creek Family Farms AKC Champion Line Cockapoos here with Jessie and John Wayne's litter at 6 weeks old yesterday, and hopefully the noise in the background isn't too loud. We've got a busy weekend with Rebecca's puppies finishing going home. And then we're supposed to, maybe, fingers crossed, get a little more rain. We'd been without, oh, that's becoming the potty corner, huh? We'd been without for a long time and finally got a good rain the other night, and hopefully that'll start a cycle. So, anyway, trying to get some yard work and mowing of the pastures done in between that. So, anyway, here's puppies. Here's puppies, the whole crew of them. We have 10. This is our record litter ever in our Cockapoos. We have 4 buff puppies. 2 of them are males and 2 of them are females. And then we have 6 black puppies, 1 of which is a female and 5 of which are males. So this litter count is 7 males and 3 females. So when I talk to people on the phone about timing estimates and how when I tell you that being open to male or female can help speed you up on the list, this litter right here is an example of how that can happen. Male families or either families way far down the list ended up with a puppy this time, while female families still pretty close to the top did not. So again, on that deposit list, if you're not 100% set on wanting just a male or just a female, you need to leave that option open for yourself. So, and to these families, I apologize. I racked my brain. We tried several different things and could not come up with a plan of something they left on to distinguish this many puppies from themselves. So you just get to see them playing. Here, we'll call them all over here and see if they come. Come here, puppies. Come here, puppies. Come here, puppies. Come here. Hey, you. There you come. That is Paco, for Paco's family. That last boy to come over here is Paco. What is it? That was Jill up on the fence, if Jill's family sees that. Boy number 7 is this buff guy right here, making the growling sounds. Some of them are awfully hard to tell without looking closer, so I'm sorry, but as I catch a couple there, I'll tell you. So, what is it? They had their first eye trim yesterday. I think it was their first one. We had done a sanitary trim a couple weeks ago when they got their first bath. They had another bath yesterday and their first eye trim, their first ear cleaning, and of course we do weekly nail trims. We try to do lots of just touching and messing and bugging them in a nice way all over so that they can be nice and used to that when you take them home. So. You can tell this litter is a busy one. Really though, and I've told a couple of you this, for a litter this size, we really have been blessed by how laid back they have been. This is Jessie's first litter and she has done an awesome job, as you can see. Very, very good mama. And her puppies are just super nice. Super nice. We're proud of all of our puppies, but it's always fun to see a mama's first litter come through and see how they do with them. And we have just been Super impressed with how Jessie has done. Oh, what do you guys got over there? Are you fighting over a leaf? Okay. I love their little bunny hops in the grass. It's so tall on them. Oh, that toy is a favorite. It's actually, I think, the toy I'm going to send home with this litter in their bags. It's a snuggle puppy, the same ones that make our snuggle puppy. They're, I guess, product they were named for, that we recommend for everybody taking home their puppies. That it's a heartbeat and heating pad and stuffed animal all in one that smells like the litter. Anyway, that same company makes those little heart-shaped kind of rubber toys that have little nubs for teething on them, and they have been a favorite this go round. We just tried them, and I think it's going to be the toy I include in their bags. Hey guys, come here everybody, come here, come here, come here, come here. Everybody say hi to your new families real quick. Hi, 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 hi. Yes, yes, yes. Come here. Hey, what are you doing back there? Come here. Okay. Yeah, so. Okay. Again, 6 weeks old. I didn't mean to make you all cry. Sorry, guys. 6 weeks old. Jessie and John Wayne's litter from Mill Creek Family Farms, AKC Champion Line Cockapoos. Oh. We'll get one from up above here too. Hey guys, hey, hey. What? Okay. All right, we'll send their families another update next Thursday, and at that point they'll be 7 weeks and just a week from heading home. So, all right. Bye-bye, guys.